Hey everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you just stopped by to my channel, I'd be more than happy if you hit the subscribe button and join the family. As we all know, the festival season is in the corner. To name a few, Christmas, Diwali, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, and so on. So, what is a festival without lights, glitz, glamour, and glitter? So today I'm going to do few easy simple projects that you can use to decorate your home this festival season. So as always, all the items that I'm going to use for this project are from Dollar Tree. Let's see what we got. We have 8 beaded necklace that I'm going to use for this decoration, and also some a bunch of flowers. It's Tweedia. I'm going to use this and some string lights, and these are the two incense stick holder. One is the cute elephant and one is Buddha, and also I have cute golden tray and some of the candle votives and some of this, I don't know what they're called. They glow when you twist them, so I'm going to use this. And also I've got some beautiful mesh, and also I'm going to use glass jar. So yeah, with all these things I'm going to do the initial preparation and I'll be back. So this is the final result of all the projects. So let me start with this red charger tray, and this is from Dollar Tree again, and I stuck red gems around the charger, and I also stuck some glass gems around it. And then I wanted to just decorate like this to decorate some of my candles. And these are the votive candles, and I stuck like laser tape around it. It was like silver, red, green and gold, and on top of it I had the glitter glue. I decorated the glitter glue with some design. And the next one is the mason jar. This is actually a mayo jar that I used, and I stuck one of the golden mesh ribbon around it, and one of the lace ribbon, and one of the golden metallic beads around it, and I made a bow and stuck one of the golden bead, and I poured some of the golden beads inside. And this is one of the light that I got from Dollar Tree, and everything is from Dollar Tree. So this is how I'm going to decorate one of my project. And the next one is the plastic water bottle. I made a flower out of it, and I painted golden, and I had glitter glue in the borders to just highlight the golden color. And this is one of the plastic bowl from Dollar Tree, and I had a little bit of water in there, and I mixed like blue food color in there just to give like a water in a lake or something, that kind of a look. And I had some fresh flowers, mums, and one of the floating candle. And I'm going to decorate just like this set of project. I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts on this. So this is how I'm going to decorate. And the next set of projects, let me show you the Buddha, the painted, golden painted Buddha, and then this is one of the elephant. These are both incense stick holders, and this is one of the beautiful tray, and I painted white and half in an angle, and I stuck some of the flowers. It's just like a tray that's holding flowers. That's how I want to decorate. And these are all the glass votives that I decorated. The green one, and this is a star shaped one, and this is a pink one. I attached all the gems that are from Dollar Tree again, and this is also the red one, and I stuck one of the silver mesh around this candle and one of the laser tape around this candle. And also I made the garland from string lights. I stuck flowers, and I made like a lighted garland that I'm going to decorate around the tray just like this. So this is how I'm going to decorate this set of project. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this. Which one is your favorite, and you have any suggestions that you want to give it to me. And I hope you enjoyed working along with me, watching along with me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and click on the bell icon for me for more notifications when I upload videos like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.